Hi guys, Emily here. I'm going to show you how we can build an analytics report right into your Wix dashboard. Okay, let's get started. First thing you need to do, make sure your website is connected to Google Analytics. So I'm going to just run that here. Let's go to Marketing Tools, Integrations, Google Analytics. We want to connect our Google Analytics. If you know the code, go ahead and put it in here. I'm going to show you how to set that up. Go to your Google Analytics account. Okay, let's see. Admin, create account. Okay, get tracking ID. Okay, this is what we're looking for, this right here. We're going to copy it. Let's paste it. Let's save that. Okay, it says connected up here, so that's good. Let's go ahead and close that. Okay, well, you're going to have a Google Data Studio will be your next step. Yours is going to look a little different if you haven't used this before. Under your data sources, you're going to come down here, and if it's your first time, it's going to be blank. So you're going to click plus to add. You're going to come down to your Google Analytics, click select, and then it's going to give you the prompt to walk through to connect to your Google Analytics. Word of note, whatever account you use for your Google Analytics, it's going to be the same Gmail account you're going to use to log in and use your Google Data Studio. It's much easier that way. All your accounts should come up here on the left. And once you're finished with that, you go back to your reports page. If you're using a template that I gave you, the website performance template, go ahead and select that one. My suggestion is to make a copy. The reason is the one that you download is going to be view only, so you won't be able to make any edits. It's coming here to your new data source. You're going to look through, okay, so we're going to have to go to create new data source, come back down here, select, and you're going to look for the one you want to collect information on. There we go. Come up here to collect. Don't make any changes here. Select add to report and create report. It's going to create a new report that you can edit with the correct data. So I'm just going to make some minor changes here. Changes are automatically saved. First thing you want to make sure is come to your share settings. I usually just click get shareable link. And then what you can do, you want anyone can view. There we go. That's the one you want. Okay, so you're going to come to your shared icon. You want this to say anyone with a link can view. You can also select more, and it's going to be this one here, anyone with the link. Okay. Let's go to your embed this report. I recommend 1200. You can make it any size you want. copy that to clipboard. Let's come back to editor. First thing we need to do is go to our code. Let's turn on developer tools. Go to add page. We're going to add a dashboard page. We're going to call it analytics. Done. Okay. And we're going to add our code that we've just copied. It's going to start generating, and then you go ahead and make it the size that you need it. That's about good. Okay, you know you're at the bottom when it says Google Data Studio. And I'm just going to go ahead and center it. There you go. Okay, select Publish. And I'm going to close this. Oops. You can also go back and turn off your code developer tools. Just go to the code, and then you can turn off your developer tools. So that way you go back to the original Wix dashboard tools, if you're most familiar with those. Let's go ahead and reload. And here's your analytics. There you go. Thank you.